In the previous video, I mentioned to you what diseases can be faced due to insulin. Today we will discuss what insulin is and how it works. It is my challenge that type 2 diabetes can be completely eradicated 100% if the patient wants it. Type 2 diabetes can be cured without any medicine, only with good diet. Insulin is a hormone in the body that maintains the amount of sugar in the body. This is a strong anabolic hormone. Profound effect on carbohydrate metabolism. Foods that increase insulin are the ones that later support insulin. The brain can use glucose without insulin, so insulin is not necessary for the brain. Insulin also has the function of adding amino acids to proteins within the muscle cell. Lipoproteins help the liver convert sugar into cholesterol. Cholesterol are an important part of the body. If you want to lose fat, please reduce your sugar intake. Fat loss has made humans very weak both mentally and physically. Brain is cholesterol base. Our sex hormones are all cholesterol are based on crystals, so do not close it. I will explain more about this later on this channel in next some videos. Due to the lack of insulin, sodium retained is produced in the body, due to which the water in the body stops. After which the blood pressure increases and the process of fat burning in the body stops. This is a perfect example in which the train is a cell of the body. Insulin is the train officer and is indicated by glucose rides. When sugar rises, insulin levels rise to fill and send the cells full. This would be because the sugar in the body should not be allowed to rise and should be maintained. Glucose is maintained. Insulin moves glucose into the cell. But when the cells become full from eating too much food, the sugar will leak out, causing the body to become fat. In type 1 diabetes, the body becomes weak due to the lack of insulin, and with insulin, the body returns to normal. When you eat, insulin decides for itself whether the energy will go into glycogen or fat stores. In daily life we use fridge for short time and freezer for long time. Due to the excess of the goods, it is transferred to the freezer where it remains for a long time. In the same way, our body also consumes energy according to the need. And the rest is stored as fat in the body. When you fast, glycogen or the fridge will be empty first. After that again freezer means body fat will be used. Things that increase insulin too much are as follows. Table sugar, contains 50% glucose and 50% fructose. Refined carbohydrate. Like bun, burger, pasta, chips, potato, cookies, jelly, all of them are high in sugar. Frequent eating 6 to 8 times in a day. You eat 3 meals a day, 3 snacks with tea and a light snack at night before going to bed. This bad eating habit makes you the main reason for developing diabetes. The more often you eat, the more insulin will take the sugar out of the blood and into the cells. There is already no space in the cell. So insulin will convert it to fat. Combining sugar with protein. Like you drink Coke, Pepsi with chicken, beef and later eat ice cream. They greatly disturb insulin. This is also a major cause of diabetes. Also, stress, anxiety causes high blood sugar which disturbs insulin. Also, the food we eat in hotels has added an ingredient called MSG, monosodium glutamate, China salt. It is used to enhance the taste and it increases insulin by 300%. Consuming MSG lowers your sugar levels. Then you get hungry. And we think the food is pretty awesome. In addition, eating lean meats, chicken, and only egg whites also disrupts insulin. Drinking 8 to 10 cups of coffee and tea reduces insulin in the body and causes diabetes. In addition, those vegetable oils, GMO, soybean oil, canola oil, sunflower oil all disrupt the liver and insulin. We will read further in this oil form what marketing mafia has done to us. Apart from this, due to lack of magnesium, sodium, zinc, iron, there is also a decrease in insulin. Hydrogenated oil and trans fat. Vitamin B1, D3, a deficiency also causes insulin deficiency. Nicotine also causes diabetes. 40% of patients on cholesterol-lowering statins developed diabetes within 1 year. I have explained everything to you as far as possible. Listen to this video over and over again. Try to understand well. This is very important. it is the basis of all our treatments. If you have any question regarding the video, please send it to my email address. I will try to answer you at the first opportunity. In the next video we will discuss how diabetes is diagnosed and what is its treatment. The keto diet. So stay with me, subscribe this channel and press the bell to get my every video on time. I think don't treat the patient, just teach the patient how to take care of themselves.